Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. It is still the 20th. um, I went to lunch with Tammy, my subscriber that won the Christmas in July Fairies giveaway. And you can't go to lunch with a yarn person without going yarn shopping. So I thought I would just pop in real fast and show you what I purchased. We had a really nice lunch. Thank you so much, Tammy, for going with me. So I also went to that store that I get the discount yarn at Mark's and get the Dreamweaver yarn. I don't know, they generally don't have much yarn in the summer, so I don't know if this is leftover from last year, but they had some out. So this is what I bought. You get 2 skeins for 99 cents. So I bought the scrubby to do the purple rose flower with. I bought 4 in purple because that's what they had. And I bought, 4 sets of 4 2-pack, or maybe 3. Oh, yep, 3 because that's what they had. And I bought 1 in navy blue because, again, that's what they had. That's all the scrubby yarn, that type of scrubby yarn that they had. But then they also had some Christmas ones. So I bought some of those. I bought 3 of those because Christmas presents are coming up. And I'm doing Christmas stuff. That's in the plans. Anyway, we'll see. I got the yarn for it. We'll see if I actually... go light's running away. If it actually comes to fruition before Christmas. That I have any scrubbies and stuff made. But that's the plan. So then I did that on my own. Tammy wasn't with me. I had to go into that store for some lunch meat and bread and stuff. And they had those out. So I'm like, gotta take it, right? Take advantage while you can. So I did. And as I said, they're 2 for 99 cents, so you can't go wrong. And then at Joanne's, I bought stuff. Not a ton. So let's see. I bought this ice cream yarn. I think I only have 1 type of ice cream yarn, but I thought it was really pretty, and this was the only one they had. So I don't know what all I could make out of this. Just 1, but maybe I could use some other, lightweight yarn with that. It's 394 yards, but it is a lightweight 3, 100% acrylic, and the color is called Cotton Candy. But I just thought it was real pretty, and that was the only one they had. So they had it marked on clearance for $2.47, and I paid $1.48 because it was whatever off the clearance price. So I paid $1.48, and if they had more, you darn well I would have bought those at that price. And then I bought 1 of these. This is Lion Brand Hometown USA, and this color is called St. Paul Sky. So it's kind of like a blue-gray, and I'm hoping that maybe I can make a hat out of that. Looks like 1 ball, 1 hat. It is a 81 yards, 5-ounce skein, 100% acrylic. It's a number 6 weight. And so this one also was marked $2.47, and I paid $1.48. Again, they only had that 1. Oh no. Oops, this one got wet. My water bottle leaked. Or the baby, I don't know. There's no baby, so it must have been my water bottle. This is Bernat Softy Baby, and this was also marked $2.47, and I think, let's see, paid $1.48. And this color is called Little Red Wagon. Oh, really? I wouldn't have really called that red myself. I think it looks more like an orangey tone. But anyway, it's a lightweight number 3 yarn, 100% acrylic, 5 ounces, 140 grams, 362 yards, 331 meters. But I can't pass up $1.48. And I think this kitty cat crochet pattern is on the label, maybe. I don't know, but I like it. I like the color, and it can always go with something. And then I bought this touch of alpaca that I did not realize was not on clearance. But it was on sale. And it is called Blush. The color is Blush. It was in the clearance bin, so they faked me out on that one, or I wouldn't have bought this one because it was $4.79. I mean, I did get a discount on it, and then the total purchase did get 20% off as well. But I wouldn't have bought just one if it wasn't on clearance. But I have some alpaca, a touch of alpaca upstairs. So, and it does say that one skein will make this hat on this label. So that's what they say anyway. So it is 3.5 ounces, 207 yards. It's a number 4 weight, 90% acrylic, 10% alpaca. It's very soft and squishy. I like it. Then my fun purchase, which I know I always say I'm not going to buy these kind of yarns anymore, but like, look what I did over the weekend. And I did again today because these colors were so fun. Aren't they fun? I just totally love the color, and I have not bought this. This is Lion Brand Cupcake. It is a number 3 weight. This is what it looks like worked. I don't like this part right here at the very end. I'm not real thrilled with that, but I love all the rest of it. It is so bright and cheery and just makes me happy to have it. And I have put it off and put it off and put it off. Well, they were on sale 50% off. So they were $7.99 regular price, so you got them both for $7.99. And then I got 20% off of that as well. So I bought them. I just caved. What can I tell you? I caved. I just think they're so pretty. I just love the colors. And I want to make something. I don't know what. They remind me, this colorway is called Clown Car, but it reminds me of unicorns and happy places. And so I have, like I said, every time I see it, I'm like, oh, I need that color. I need that color. And I don't have any of this color. Oh, well, I do now. And that's all I got. Just a little bit of yarn, a little bitty haul. But it was clearance shopping, so that was so fun. And like I said, I caved on that. I've been waiting for them to go on clearance for like a year. And they really haven't. So, and the touch of alpaca, that was a cheater. They snuck that in on me. She was ringing that stuff up so fast I couldn't see what was coming up on the sale prices. And it didn't have a sale sticker. I didn't even realize it. But I'm really happy about this one as well, because isn't that cute? It's very babyish. I don't have any babies in my life right now, so I don't know what to do with it. Oh, but I do have a friend that's having a baby, and we don't know if it's a boy or a girl, and they're not going to find out. What do you think? Boy and girl could go with that? I mean, it's got pinks and blues and purples and yellows and whites. I would need to add to it probably to do anything with it, right? I don't know, but I bet the Lion Brand website has all kinds of, I bet they have all kinds of patterns to make with this yarn. That's what I'm going to do. Probably make something for them. I don't know, it just looks girly to me though. Even though it's got that little bit of blue in there. And then what if they had a boy? Girls can wear blues, but boys generally don't wear pink. So probably, I don't know what to do with that. But I like it. So there we go. That's what I got. Thank you for joining me on my shopping show and tell. And thanks for liking, subscribing, watching, commenting, sharing. I do appreciate all of that. If you're not subscribed, please hit the little button and subscribe. The bell if you want to know when I'm putting up another video. I know, 2 in one day. What the heck is going on? Oh, I forgot to tell you earlier. We tried to do another tour of the campground over the weekend at night. And we went too late. The videos were dark and you really can't see anything. It was really hot over the weekend here in Ohio, and a lot of people weren't having campfires, so their campsites, they were inside because it was still hot even after dark, or they weren't there. So, if it's too hot, you're living in a tin can. Sometimes it's hard to keep it cool on a hot day, and people don't show up. So it wasn't much to see. So, and what was there was dark. So we didn't upload that one, but we'll do one again, when there's more people there and when, there's more to see. I'll do it earlier in the night, more dusk than dark. And one other thing, Amanda's Patriotic Blanket. If you got the pattern and you want to make it, I did extend the deadline until August 15th because of getting the last part of the tutorial out there late. So you have time. If you've made one, don't forget to put a picture on my Facebook group page, Charm Grammy Crochet group or something. It's linked, or at least it's in the bottom. I don't know if it clicks or not, but I do put it in at every video. So go there and post a picture, because I think there's only 3 or 4, and there's gonna be a drawing. So if you've made it, or if you're planning on making it, make sure you put your picture in to get to be entered into a drawing. I did want to remind people about that. I think that's all now. Got it all now, for sure. Okay, have a great rest of your day. I probably won't see you again for several days now. You're probably sick of me. Okay, I hope you're not sick of me, but I'm done for the day. Probably done for the next several. Okay, bye.